Squats with the assistance of the exercise band. Now the exercise band is in the door anchor, just in the middle of the top and the middle hinge on the side of my door. My feet are shoulder width apart. My feet are slightly turned out. Have a little tension on your resistance band. Sit your butt back, stand right back up. Now if it's not enough room, back up a little bit. Squat back, push right up. Now your squat pattern, your butt goes back first, your knees are tracking with your toes, your chest is up. This band is just here to help guide you up and down and up. So what I don't want is I don't want to see your chest drop down here. Keep it up. If you need more room, pull in your elbows to give you that extra support. The squat with the assistance of the band.